how to fix Roblox join error. So I'm gonna explain three methods or three things that you can try. For the first thing, we'll click on the three dots here in the top right corner if we are using Google Chrome, and then we are gonna go into settings. So here, scroll all the way down, find the section about Chrome, click on it and check if your Google Chrome is up to date. So here, if you have an update, just update your Google Chrome. Now that was the first thing. Sorry. The second thing that you have to do is search for cookies here, and we want to click on delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. So click on here and change the time range to all time, and check cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Now make sure you know your Roblox account, because this will log you out of Roblox. So make sure you know your account info before you do this step. But basically check these two and then click on delete data. And if it still doesn't work for you, then the last thing that you can do is open up your computer search engine. Here we'll search for run, open up the run application, and you want to type this. Type %, temp %. Press enter or click on OK, and you will get all of these folders here. Just click on any folder, type R or press R on your keyboard so you're able to find the Roblox folder. And what we want to do is right click and delete this folder. These are just temporary files and you can get rid of them, and this should fix your issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.